I wanted to make a video about Jesse Bam Rodriguez from San Antonio, Texas, who's 8-0 with 4 knockouts, fought on December 1st on the Wilder Fury Showtime pay-per-view event. A little behind the scenes. His original opponent was a strawweight Axel Aragon from Ensenada, Mexico. In the last 10 days before the fight, there was a change of opponent to Josue Morales, who's 8-3, who fights at super bantamweight 122. The fighter was presented to Robert Garcia, and he was told the fighter could not make less than 114. Robert accepted the terms and made a contract weight for the fight of 114. Bam weighed in at 113.5, and Josue weighed in heavy Friday, the day before the fight, and was able to get down as low as 115.75. Per Robert Garcia on ES News, the opponent came in a pound, 0.8 pounds over the contract weight. At that point, Robert negotiated a rehydration clause for the fighter, not to exceed the weight of 124 on fight day. Although Josue came in weighing 127, 3 pounds over the agreement, but Robert didn't want to lose the fight date for Bam, and he went through with the fight. Per Robert Garcia, Bam won every round of the 6-round bout, and his next fight in 2019 will be a 10-round fight. In Robert's opinion, in 2 or 3 more fights, Bam could be fighting for a title at 108. So just a little bit of behind the scenes of the negotiations and the contracts and fighters falling out of fights and trying to get replacements last minute. A little bit behind the scenes with a little bit of help of ES News and Robert Garcia. There was also mention of the owner of Teiken Promotions, Mr. Honda, that is Bam Rodriguez is promoted by Teiken. He was at the fight on Saturday, December 1st. Please like and follow. I'm Sonteo Media on YouTube, Sonteo_media on Twitter, and Sonteo Media on Instagram. Thank you. More videos coming soon.